Hi, I'm not a rock star or an actress. I'm only a Venetan girl from a little city near Venice. But I have a message for you. I'm wearing your colors to tell you to vote yes on 18th of September. Your vote is not only for Scots, it's a hope for Venetans, Catalans, and all of those people who are asking for freedom. You're an example for those who want to state their own identity in a democratic way. And like other people in the world, your request is not only for economic reasons, it's for history, language, traditions, way to live. And this is what big states don't want to recognize because from strong identity stems strong power. You are a great people, and this is your chance to reconfirm it to all the world. So, please, vote yes for your freedom and for our.